PCH-50 Instrument Operation Guide. Prepare the items needed for the test. PCH-50 instrument, power cable, test board, R1 reagent, R2 reagent, sample collector, code chip. Standard test. Take the reagents out of the freezer and rewarm at room temperature. Switch on the instrument, take out the code chip, and insert it into the mini USB port of the instrument. After the self-check is completed, enter the main interface and select the standard test. Use the top cover of the sample collector to open the sealing film of the R1 reagent. Use the sample collector to collect a 5 microliter fingertip blood sample. Insert the R1 reagent container, forcefully shake all the blood sample in the capillary into the R1 reagent, shake well, click the Confirm button, and let it stand for 2 minutes. Mix it again for 5 seconds, squeeze out the bubbles, remove the top cover, and then add 1 drop of the mixture into the test board. Wait for the mixture to fully penetrate into the membrane, and then add 1 drop of R2 reagent into the test board. After standing for 15 seconds, insert the test board into the instrument for testing, and the screen will automatically display the result after 5 seconds. After the test, take the test board out of the instrument, put the samples and consumables into the designated medical garbage bag, or dispose of them properly in accordance with local and national laws and regulations. Quick test. If you need to perform a retest or multiple tests and don't want to use the instrument interface guidance, you can choose the quick test. The specific steps are as follows. Prepare related items for testing and repeat HbA1c test procedure. After completing the entire operation process, click on the quick test and put the test board into the instrument. After the test, take the test board out of the instrument, put the samples and consumables into the designated medical garbage bag, or dispose of them properly in accordance with local and national laws and regulations.